Today I'm gonna show you how to create logos for free that you can use on your YouTube videos. You can make your logo transparent or opaque, big or small, so stay tuned to know how. Okay, let's make sure you have PICSART installed. So if you don't have it yet, go to App Store and have it downloaded. Once done, click on Open. Then click on the purple circle with the plus symbol. Okay, for now, let's focus on the free stuff. So go to Free Photos or Colored Backgrounds and choose from there. Anything that has the crown symbol, don't use it. If you don't want to pay, don't use it. Here I chose the white color background. Click on Add Photo and select the image that you'd like to use for your logo. Once the image is loaded, tap on it so you can edit it. Below the image, tap on the outline tool so you can trace the area that you'd like to keep for your logo. Tap on Preview so you can hide the background. And then tap on the white background that's outside the image so you can edit the full picture, add text or additional photo. Let's click on stickers so we can add a subscribe button. Same with the background, avoid using the ones with the crown image because that's a premium sticker and you will have to pay for it if you choose it. Once done, tap on Next and then arrow down symbol to save your image. Cancel the pop-up window by tapping on X. Tap on Photos and then Done.